To set up your walk-in manager, come to the navigation panel on the right-hand side, come down to Setup and Configuration. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on General in the bottom left corner. If you can't find Walk-in Manager, which is just there, but if you can't find it, just click on the arrow to move down. So we're going to select Walk-in. So we have some options here. We've got keyboard and number. So if we are adding a client anonymously, so that's not via the database, then you can type in their name, or they can just have a number automatically assigned to them. Do we print off a ticket for the client? Do we print one off for the team member? Are we using opening hours, or are we using roster or clock-in instead? Auto expand the visits, that just expands so we can see more of the information. If we have anyone in a group, are we going to show the groups? Are we going to show the employee if they've requested an employee? And once we've taken their bill, will we automatically return to the walk-in manager? So print visitor identifier on the POS receipt. So that's the receipt as well. If you want to print off the receipt afterwards, it will have their name or their number that we would have chosen before. Show the estimated wait time and prompt for a visit tag. So if they're a new client or request client, they just see anybody there in the shop. Service breaks are bookable, so that one's just not available on there at the moment. And you can move them into a different progress mode. So this is the status of the appointment at the time. Do we manually finish them, automatically finish them? So we've got those in there as well. Now on the right hand side, for labor forecasting, if we want to do that in the future, then we just pop in here the optimum wait time. So if you like your clients to ideally be waiting no more than 10 minutes, and ideally the maximum that you're happy for them to wait is 20. Now based off that, it will forecast in the future how many people that you should have rostered on during different times as well. So, okay, based off those figures. Now, client data focus. Are we predominantly not collecting their data or predominantly collecting? Whichever one you choose, you can also just choose the other one through the process. It's just where it goes to first, whether it's going to ask you to actually add them to the database or not. We've got some information about the revenue and service and productivity of your team members. Single employee per visit, multiple employees allowed per visit. So if you like your team members to do everything, so for example, in a barber's, if someone's booking a haircut and a beard, do you want that to be assigned to a single person, or you're happy for those to be split between two people? This doesn't take into consideration capabilities. So if someone's not capable of something, then it's not going to not offer that service. It will automatically offer someone else. And the estimated wait display. Are we going to count down from the initial? Or if there's been any changes in the wait list that's affected the time, are we always going to show the latest estimates? And then at the top, we've got the demographic options as well. When you're taking information, are you going to force those questions to be asked as well? All right, so nice and easy, just go through those, take your time going through those, and that's how you're going to set up your walk-in manager.